Today, I'm gonna show you how you can start building a course. Specifically, I'm gonna talk about course pages, how to add content to them, and how I can add requirements in order for users to access those pages. I'm gonna start off by opening up one of my courses. Now, because it's the easy way, I'll start off by using the course content tile. When I click here, I'm actually being brought down 2 levels deep into the course, and into a section of a specific page. I'll be talking about this in just a minute. The simplest way I can add content to my course is to just drag it right into this area over on the right. And then once it's uploaded, just give it a name. However, I do have other options. If what I'm about to drag into the area already exists in my system, I can search for it in this browser area once I select the item type. If I'm adding something I want the LMS to generate, such as a certificate, I would select from the course widgets. There's more to it, of course, but that's the crash course in adding content. But before I navigate away, I want to point out this learning activities area over here on the left. This is a subsection, which is inside of a section, which is inside of a course page. Earlier, I mentioned that right now, we're working inside of a section. I can actually add an infinite number of subsections right into this section by creating a new subsection over here. To work in a different subsection, I just click the menu button for that subsection and click the option to work inside that area. Each subsection can have different rules for how its content is accessed. For example, you can quite easily set it up to force that each item be taken and completed before the next item becomes available. But that's enough for this page. Now, we're going to take a different approach, and instead of clicking the content builder, we're going to instead select the page manager. Now, just so you have some context of what we're looking at. We were previously working on the course materials page. So I'll navigate there and show you the sections on that page. You'll see the section on that page is set up to always show to the user. There are no rules the user needs to meet in order to view it. So, let's add a new section. This one I will set up so it will only display when a user has passed and completed the entire course. First, I'll name the new section, Certificate. After it's created, I'm gonna edit the section settings and add 2 new requirements. First, only show the section if the user's progress is 100%. Next, only show the section if the user has a passing average. Note that these same rules are available on a page level as well, so we can, for example, set up a page with these rules, instead of applying them to a section inside of a page. The approach would be different depending on exactly what you wanted to accomplish. Once the section has its requirements in place, I'm going to edit the contents of this section. And now, you should be in familiar territory, as we once again have reached the content builder. So now I'm going to select the course certificate from the course widgets, and add it into the course. When I test this course out, you should see, although I've added a new section into the course, with a course certificate inside of it, since I haven't reached the requirement to see that section, nothing is appearing for me. Once I have reached the requirements, the section with the certificate will appear. So there you go, a quick overview of some of the different things you can do with your course pages.